Ever wondered where your money should go? MST ETF or MSTY? Well, you're about to find out. We're diving deep into the financial world today, exploring the features and potential of two intriguing investment options, MST ETF and MSTY. MST ETF, a popular exchange-traded fund, offers a diversified portfolio designed to mimic the performance of a specific index. On the other hand, MSTY, a promising new player, has been turning heads with its unique approach and potential for high returns. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of both MST ETF and MSTY, examining their strengths, weaknesses, and the opportunities they present. We'll dissect their features, compare their potential, and provide you with the insights needed to make an informed decision. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a financial journey that will challenge what you know about investing. Stay tuned, this will be a financial journey you won't forget. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. So, what's the buzz around MST ETF? Time to unravel the mystery. The MST ETF, or the Main Street Total Exchange Traded Fund, is a unique investment tool that is shaking up the financial world. It's a basket of various types of investments, including stocks, bonds, and other assets that are traded on an exchange just like an individual stock. But what sets MST ETF apart? Well, it's the wide-ranging exposure it provides. This ETF doesn't just focus on one sector or type of investment. It aims to replicate the performance of the total market, giving you a slice of everything, from large corporations to small startups, from tech giants to healthcare innovators. It's like owning a piece of the entire economic landscape. This diversification is one of the key benefits of MST ETF. It mitigates risk by spreading investments across different sectors and asset classes. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. If one sector stumbles, your entire portfolio isn't going down with it. Another advantage is the liquidity it offers. Unlike mutual funds, which are traded only at the end of the day, ETFs like MST can be bought and sold throughout the day, just like individual stocks. This means you can take advantage of market fluctuations and make strategic moves in real time. But of course, as with any investment, there are potential risks. The broad exposure of MST ETF means that it's subject to the volatility of the overall market. When the market is down, the ETF will likely follow suit, and while diversification reduces risk, it doesn't eliminate it. There's always the potential for loss, which is why it's crucial to consider your risk tolerance and investment goals before diving in. Despite these risks, the MST ETF offers a unique opportunity for investors to gain wide exposure to the market, enjoy flexibility, and manage risk. It's a tool designed for those who want to ride the waves of the entire market, rather than just one sector or asset class. Now that's quite an investment option, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the world of MSTY. Imagine a financial instrument that's as dynamic as the market itself, constantly evolving and adapting to keep pace with the ever-changing financial landscape. That's MSTY for you. But what exactly is MSTY, you ask? Well, MSTY is a cutting-edge, technology-based investment platform that offers a unique approach to investing. At its core, MSTY believes in the power of technology to enhance investing. It leverages advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze market trends and make intelligent investment decisions. This creates a unique blend of human intuition and machine precision, providing a distinct edge to investors. But what makes MSTY stand out is its ability to cater to a wide variety of investors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie dipping your toes into the world of investing, MSTY has something for everyone. It offers a range of investment options, from conservative to aggressive, allowing you to choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Now you might be thinking, that all sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, like any investment, MSTY comes with its share of risks. The reliance on technology means that it's susceptible to technical glitches and cyber threats. Plus, the market is unpredictable, and even the most sophisticated algorithms can't guarantee returns. But despite these risks, many investors find MSTY's potential benefits outweigh the potential pitfalls. Its innovative approach to investing, combined with its ability to cater to a diverse range of investors, makes it an enticing option for those looking to add a modern twist to their investment portfolio. And that, my friends, is MSTY for you. But which is a better option? Hang on, we're getting there. It's showdown time. MST ETF versus MSTY where should your money go? Let's break it down, shall we? On one side we have the MST ETF, the stalwart of the investment world, a diversified pool of securities that track a specific index. It's like a buffet, offering a little bit of everything. It's the safe bet, the steady player. Its strengths? Well, it offers diversification, it's cost-effective, and it's easy to trade, but it's not without its drawbacks. The returns, while steady, may not be as high as you'd like, and it lacks the personal touch, the ability to cherry-pick your investments. On the other side of the ring, we have MSTY, the new kid on the block. It's a single stock, a company making waves in the tech world. It's the risky bet, the wild card. It offers the potential for high returns, but also comes with a higher level of risk. The strengths? The potential for high growth and the ability to invest in a company you believe in. The drawbacks? It lacks diversification and the volatility can be, well, volatile. So how do they stack up against each other? If you're a risk-averse investor who values stability and diversification, the MSTY ETF may be your best bet. But if you're a risk-taker, someone who is willing to ride the highs and lows for the possibility of a higher return, then MSTY may be more your speed. But remember, investing isn't a one-size-fits-all proposition. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about understanding your own risk tolerance, your financial goals, and making informed decisions. The battle is intense, isn't it? But hold your horses, we've got a surprise for you. Ready for the surprise? Here it is. Ever wondered if there's a secret sauce to making the most of your MSTY ETF and MSTY investments? The answer is a resounding yes. What if I told you knowing when to hold your horses can make a world of difference? Well, the big reveal is this. Timing is everything. The best investors don't just know what to invest in, they know when. Market trends, global events, economic indicators, they all play a significant role in the performance of your portfolio. So, the tip of the day is stay informed and stay ahead. By keeping an eye on these factors, you can make the right move at the right time. Whether it's buying more shares of MSTY ETF or MSTY, or pulling back when necessary, the power is in your hands. Bet you didn't see that coming, did you? But that's not all. As we wrap up this financial roller coaster ride, here's what you need to remember. Both MSTY ETF and MSTY are compelling in their own right, each offering unique benefits and potential drawbacks. MSTY ETF has a proven track record, while MSTY presents an exciting opportunity for investors looking to diversify their portfolio. We've delved deep into the world of MSTY ETF, a well-established investment vehicle that has consistently delivered solid returns. It's a stable option for those who prefer a more conservative approach, valuing reliability and steady growth over high-risk, high-reward strategies. On the other hand, we've also explored the terrain of MSTY, a newcomer on the scene that's been making waves with its innovative approach. This potential-packed option offers a unique blend of traditional and alternative assets, providing opportunities for significant growth. But remember, with great potential comes greater risk. The key takeaway here is that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your investment decision should be based on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. It's about finding the balance that suits you best. And remember, diversification is a crucial part of any successful investment strategy. To make an informed decision, it's essential to do your own research. Dig into the details, understand the underlying assets, and keep an eye on market trends. And don't forget to consult a financial advisor if you're unsure. After all, investing is not just about making money, it's about making smart money moves. As we conclude, let's remember that the world of investing is dynamic, constantly evolving. The MSTY ETF and MSTY are just two of the countless investment opportunities out there. So stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring new avenues for growth. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep investing smartly.